To change the transmission fluid on your Razor Turbo R, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. Next, place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Then, clean the area around the fill plug on the back of the transmission. Remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, move underneath the vehicle and locate the drain plug through the hole in the skid plate. Continue by cleaning the area around the drain plug. Then, remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Note that the drain plug has a magnetic tip and must be installed in the bottom of the transmission. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.